Okay, this train station is called the Morgan Avenue by train, and then this station is actually located in Brooklyn, and then this station is most actually familiar station to me, to the Manhattan for like anything, my bicycle messaging. When I always took train. A train here, and then and then take off the train here, and then going back to my house. So that's a very strange feeling now. Overall structure and everything is basically same. So let's see some neighborhood I used to live. Okay, 222 Varet Street. Actually, this building I used to live. One room belonged to this building 1997 and 1998, and I parked my motorcycle over there, and then I parked my motorcycle here, and then I remember everything, but many things changed so far. This place actually not something like this, now there are many shops at the sidewalk, and then there is kind of a coffee shop, and then they are very famous kind of like a hostel over there, and now very developed, and then many artists start living here from a certain point, and eventually this place become very lively. But at that time, almost 10 years ago, this is really balance place, like a old, factory building just remain, and then very few artists lived here. So not something like this at the moment. So for 10 years, many things changed, and then this Varet Street also changed a lot so far.